Hi, Kristen Fusaro here, and I'm going to show you how you can use your GSuite Google Calendar to integrate with Google Classroom so that you could invite your students to join you for a Google Meet session. All right, so first thing you want to do is go to your Waffle, really the Google apps, and you are going to search for your Google Calendar. This comes with all Google accounts, but this is especially true with your G Suite account. So you're going to click through your calendar, and you see I have a bunch of things already. And you're going to pick the date that you want to make the appointment or you want to have a show up for your students. So I'm going to pick the 24th. And I am going to say that first thing, add location or conferencing. In this case, yes, I'm going to add conferencing, and it automatically will choose join Hangouts Meet. And then I'm going to click on more options so that I can make it a little bit more detailed. Then I'm going to say that this is for um, because this is what I'm actually going to be doing with my sophomores on that day. I'm going to pick the time. So for me, that particular time slot with my students is from 11 a.m. to, and I'm going to say probably be about 45 minutes, 11:45 a.m. Okay. Location, I'm leaving that blank in this circumstance because we are all working from home, letting my students know what it's about. This is what you would do in the notes. Reading Much Ado About Nothing, Act 1 together on Google Meet. Okay. Add guests. This is the part where you can actually turn around and invite your Google Classroom. So whatever you have your Google Classroom named, this is where you can send that invitation. So for me, I have it listed as period 5. So I'm going to do P5, and you're going to see two options, okay, where whatever the name of your Google Classroom is. So over here you have the door, and then here you have the people. This is where it can get a little bit confusing. You actually want to choose the one with the people because this will send the invites to the students. All right, you see the number over there, the participants that are actually in that class. This you could change like invite others, see guest list. I'm going to uncheck invite others because I don't want people outside of the students to be invited to this meeting. Then you're going to click save. It says, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Yes. Send. And it's going to say invite external guests. It's not really external guests. It's just like because of the way the extension of the Google Classroom email is. But so you just go ahead and click invite external guests. And now that will show up in your calendar, and the students will have the option to click in and add that to their own calendar. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.